Hello, my name is Terry White, Worldwide Design Evangelist for Adobe Systems, and it's my pleasure to walk you through CS Review, which is a part of the new CS Live services that are integrated into your CS5 applications. So I have Creative Suite 5 Photoshop open currently, and what I'd like to do is add this document to a review I started actually in InDesign. So this document is a web mockup, and of course, the one thing that people love to do is they love to create what the look and feel of your website's going to look like in products like Photoshop and Illustrator, because those are just better for design. Now that I have this mock-up, before we get started slicing this up and putting it in Dreamweaver and making code behind it, I'd like to actually get approval on it, get approval on the look and feel. So, since it's a part of the same project with the magazine, I'm going to go ahead and select the magazine review that I've already started. And what I'd like to do now is add a part of this to it. Now, I have two magazine reviews in play right now. I think I'm going to go to the second one here, which I've already got some comments on and people have already been working with. And we're just going to go ahead and now click this little button at the bottom of the CS Review panel that says capture an image of this file, this current file, and add it to this review. So we'll just do that. We can also choose the quality, and of course we want to view it online once we're done. So we'll just go ahead and upload this. So it's looking at my Photoshop document, capturing it in its current state, and uploading that and making it a part of that review that I've already started. So the beauty of this is that the reviewers that are already participating in the magazine review will have the ability to go in and participate in the website review as well. I don't have to reshare it. I don't have to do anything. So here's the magazine review, and I've already got a comment from my colleague Mike that says, you know, hey, this area looks like a problem. We should fix that. But now you'll notice that I've added a second part to this. And the reason we don't call it pages is because it may not be a page per se. This is a website, and that was a magazine spread, and those are really two different things. So let's go to the second part, which is, of course, the web layout. Now, it looks kind of small, and of course, it's impossible to read some of that small type. So we can actually go ahead and zoom in on this. And we're zooming in on it in a web browser, which is cool. It's treating it like a regular document. But the beauty of this is now I can go ahead and start adding comments. So for example, I can say, we'll drag a selection around this photo and we'll say, use the other photo that you showed me yesterday. So we'll add that comment to this. And you'll notice that it says this part doesn't have any comments, but it just added one that I just told it to create. Now we can also click, and we can say, in that particular spot, use a different blue instead of the blue-green that's there now. Okay, great. And of course, it will add that comment as well. And lastly, I want to go in and say I want to add a comment for the entire part. So we can go ahead and zoom back out. And now I'll just click to add a comment to the part. And I'm going to say, love the overall design. All right, so now we'll go ahead and save that. And so we've added these three different comments to this new part of the overall review. And because I shared this with a personal workspace on my Acrobat.com account, my entire team now has the ability to interact with this new part of the review. However, let's head back over to Photoshop and see what's been going on. And like magic, Photoshop has been detecting and working with CS Review, and it's seeing all the comments that are coming in right inside of Photoshop. So I can actually go in and click and see what the comments are. It shows me exactly where those spots are in the actual layout. I can, of course, reply just like I could on the InDesign document or InDesign part. And I can say, yep, that's approved. Love the suggestion. So now I'm doing my replies directly inside of Photoshop CS5. And of course, because I made that reply, if I head back over to the web browser, to the folks that, don't even have Photoshop maybe, it actually shows me the reply right inside the web browser. So it's a two-way communication for your reviews. So whether you're reviewing content for print or the web, CS Review is going to help you tremendously. And the beauty of it is you're doing the review and initiating the review right from within the design applications that you use every day. So that's it for this quick demo on CS Review, which is a part of CS Live, now integrated into your Creative Suite 5 products. Thanks for watching.